Hey buddy, today in this video we're making shrimp and green beans in the Instapot. Let's begin. We have here around 1 pound of green beans. And if you want, you can cut off the tips of the green beans, like that. Remove that. Okay, so the next thing what we're gonna do is prepare the sauce. We have here a 1/4 cup of water. We need a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. There you go, that's a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We also need 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. I'm gonna cut off the skin first, real quick. There we go, remove the skin. Then we're gonna dice it up. Okay, the ginger is nicely chopped up. We're gonna pick it up real quick. Okay, that's 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Next, we'll need 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2. We'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. We'll need 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. I bought this off of Amazon. If you can't find this, a good substitute would be cooking cherry wine. 1, 2. You need 2 tablespoons of pure sesame seed oil. 1, 2. You need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1, 2. Okay, take the sauce and mix it in evenly. Okay, it's looking good. We're gonna put this to the side. We have here 1 pound of shrimp. The size is 2630. It's fully thawed, peeled, and deveined. Okay, let's season it. We're gonna add some garlic salt. There we go. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of white pepper. Just sprinkle a little bit on. There you go, that's it. Then take everything and mix it all in. Okay, we have everything ready, and now we're gonna saute the onions first. We're gonna put it on saute mode, and we're gonna let it preheat first. Okay, it's fully preheated. We're gonna add some olive oil. Spread the oil around. There we go. And now we're gonna add 1 cup of chopped up white onions. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Try to brown up the white onions. Okay, we browned up the onions. It took around a little bit over 4 minutes. And now we're gonna turn off saute mode. Now we're gonna deglaze the pot. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup of water. We're using a 1/2 cup of water to deglaze the pot and try to remove any of the debris stuck onto the bottom of the pot. You don't want anything stuck onto the bottom of the pot, or else it might give you a burn error. Okay, it's looking good. We're gonna add the sauce in. Make sure to get every bit in. We're going to add around 1 cup of sliced up carrots. Mix it in. And next we're going to add 1 pound of green beans. Make sure to stir it all in. There we go. And then we're going to add the shrimp. Stir everything up nice and even for just a little bit. Okay, we're set. This is what it looks like before we close it up. Okay, we're gonna close it up. We put it into locking position. We're going to push the pressure cook button. And then we're going for 1 minute on high pressure. And we're gonna let it preheat first. Okay, it's preheating and we'll be back once the timer starts for 1 minute. Okay, the red pin has gone up. That means it's almost preheated. And we're still waiting for the timer to start for 1 minute. Okay, it's fully preheated and the timer has started for 1 minute on high pressure. Okay, it's been 1 minute. Now we're going to release the pressure. The red pin has dropped back down. That means it's safe to open. Wow, look at that. Looking great. We're going to put it back on saute mode. We're going to push cancel and then push saute and let it heat up. Okay, we have it on saute mode. We have here a 1/4 cup of water and some cornstarch. We're going to take a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix it in. And we're going to make a little room and we're going to pour slowly a little bit of cornstarch to thicken up the sauce. Okay, the sauce is thickened up. Now we're going to turn off the Instapot. Okay, this is what we have today, shrimp and green beans made in the Instapot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.